No!
Hello, dudes. My name is Diva, and I'm with my sibling. Oh my god. I'm so scared.
Help? Are you in there?
Just like my lights. Yes, I'm here.
Oh, okay. Oh my god.
I'll be AFK.
Yeah, I am so laggy. Hello, Diva cookies. I mean, give me the grab apple.
Yay!
Give me the chest. Stop! Grab. Give me the cake. Give me the cake. I have 2 apples.
Safety.
Give me single marker.
Magandang buhay!
Bro, we cannot chop trees.
Tapos mo ng gate eh! Sige.
Ate Binis, are you making a video or something?
Can I buy me something?
Lagi 5%. I should. I should bring the bed instead.
Can you put me for
For the bed.
Christmas, let's go.
Coco Chanel. Coco Chanel, ba say love you, Koi Shuna. Customer service? Is it? Oh my gosh, it's a 1 minute until it's night. Let's go to our bunker. It looks like 1990 in the forest. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat. Guess what I got? Huh? I'm gonna place the bed. Ate Benis, tabi tayo dito sa bed ah. Ayun. Ba't nakaupo ako? Nakaupo ako. Look, nakaupo ako. When someone starts Ayan. That sound is so scary that it will jump scared you. Naku. Tabi tayo. No, that's mine.
Don't natin yung jump.
Haha. Wait, dapat na no. Tabi tayo. Hey, lalagay ko dito. No, it's mine.
Wala dito.
Can someone get the pallet? Can someone remove the pallet? Ate Benis, yung pallet.
Wala dito sa tabi ko.
Okay, wait.
What is saying?
Ha 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 ha, let's go.
market? No,
Yeah.
are we stealing from the market?
Yeah, we are. Go beside me or else.
I wanna do
I'm
something.
just gonna decorate the house more
No,
intelligent.
that's the base.
I mean base. Wow. The hungry guy. Num num. Now let's go to the market. Palit. Magpalit ka na. Oh my gosh, it's 2 minutes left. You gotta go to the toy store. Go to the cute store and buy some stationery. Pick up the shelf. Oh man. Sprinter. Coco Fanta Elephanta, like a Sheila Maleta, like a Tula Vega Tuli, Suna in
Sunod without cars.
Run. I'm gonna move the bed. I hate someone who doesn't like me. Come on. This is my bed. Go beside me. Go beside me while we are sleeping. I'm gonna go place this. How about here? No! Hey, that's my bed. That's not yours. Make your... I don't like this bed. Can you move the bed? Please. Can you move the bed? Please. You remove the bed. You remove the bed. That bed that I was supposed to place this shelf. That bed. Large shelf. Please.
I cannot pick it up.
I hate this alarm. Take the pallet. I'm gonna pick up this. Oh, that's aren't yours. That's someone.
No, you need to ask me.
I don't think that's someone's. Where are you? Where are you?
Here, sleeping.
Kuzachi, where are you going? No, say Lumaji. Kuzachi. Don't sleep, you boy. Ah! Is this perfect? No. Large. No, I got stuck on the bed last night. No, my bed.
You're not going to the bed.
Huh?
You have to go in the bed.
I keep sleeping on someone's bed. There I can sleep peacefully. Huh?
Oh, down the bed.
Where are you?
Here, inside the bed.
On the bed?
Here, jumping.
Where are you? The marketplace?
I'm jumping.
Where? I cannot see you.
The bed.
Bakit ka? No, I'm lagi.
So now can you pick up? I got
Go to the door. Oh no, I'm hungry on the space bar. No, I'm keeping lagging.
I got a gun and I'm doing. See, what's on the new server?